Namaste and welcome to my channel again. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year. आप सभी को नए साल की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. As we have stepped in a new year, I just thought to share you more intense yoga workout, which is commonly known as power yoga. Now, practice of power yoga will increase the fluidity in your body, which is going to provide you a better flexibility, and also it's going to strengthen your muscles, keeping you energetic the entire day and help you to increase your stamina. So before we start the practice, a very important message or a disclaimer you can consider it as. Please, anybody who is suffering from a back injury or a serious health issues, do not practice this without any supervision. It is very important to take a guidance and advice from your doctor and then get into the practice. So now let's get on the mat together and start the practice. Come into child pose. Relax your body. Be gentle. And from here, take a nice deep inhalation and come into downward dog position. Relax your body. Raise your hip as high as possible. Now take your leg up. Inhale, exhale, and take your leg ahead. Again, take it back. Just check your other leg. It moves together. Yes, just like that. Take it back again. Inhale and exhale. Come back. We do this 5 times on each. This is the 4th time. Inhale, exhale, and take your knee head. Look in front of your mat when you come front. One last time. Inhale, exhale, and come back. Good job right there. Relax ourselves. Come down. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Relax. Come back again on your arms, on your knees, and get back into downward dog position. Let's do it on the other side. Take your leg up. Inhale, exhale, and front. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Tuck your navel inside and get it front. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and come back into child position. Relax. This is going to be fun. We have already started working out. Just relax. Come back. I'm sure you all are feeling the pump in your body, so let's continue. Come back on your arms and your knees, and let's do the variation of Manjarasana. Take your leg up and move it inside. Let's first concentrate on the balance of the body. Once you get the balance, take the alternate hand up and be there for a few seconds. Now exhale and let's start working. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Now let's just move your leg outside from the hip side and relax. Relax for a few seconds. Take a deep inhalation and exhalation. Come back and let's change the side. Just make sure your hands are parallel to your shoulder and your legs are parallel to your hips. Moving your leg outside, create the balance and lift your hand. Put it in front, exhale, move it together. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and open your hips and stretch. Come back in the child position and relax. So let the flow be continued and come back again in the downward dog position. And from here we go into the plank position, which is known as Dandasana. And from here we lower down our body and come into Chaturangasana, and inhale and stretch your body up, open up your lungs and come into Sarpasana. Look up, breathe, come back into downward dog position. We shall continue this flow for few more times and feel that energy in your body. Chaturangasana, inhale, Sarpasana, open up your lungs, relax your neck and look up. Be there, do not give up. Continue the flow. Concentrate on your breathing and relax. Keep your shoulders strong. Come down, up, Sarpasana, breathe in, and we shall relax. Relax, let's come on the mat, sit on on the mat, and let's relax in Titli Asana, also known as butterfly pose. Join both your feet together, open up your hip, keep your back straight, hold your legs, and just keep moving. Relax for a few seconds out there. Feel that energy. Swing a bit right and left and just relax. Breathe in, breathe out, and come back into child position. And from here, once again, we come into downward dog. And let's walk our leg inside. Feel the stretch in your hamstring. Just be there for a few seconds. Take your right leg in. Let's come into lower lunge position. Now to intense this pose, we shall move our hand inside and keep your other leg flat on the mat, and let's lower down on our forearms. Keep both your forearms on the mat. Just be there for a few seconds. Feel the intensity in your hips and then slowly come up. Take your hand out and your leg behind. Once again, we shall do this on the other side. Relax your body. Take your leg front between your hand. Taking the other side hand inside, keeping the leg flat on the mat and coming on the forearms. Be there for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Come up. Take your hand out and come back in the downward dog position. Relax. Just breathe. Let the energy flow in your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Come into a plank position, and from here, once again, bend your knee, touch your chest on the ground, and come back in the Sarvasana. Now let's relax. Taking a break is always good. Calm your mind. Exhale all the stress from your body. And no, it's not over yet. Come on, let's do this. This is the last thing we will do it. Keep both your hands closer to your thighs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Fold your knees and let's do the yogi bicycle. Yes. And do it for a minute. So breathe in, breathe out. Yes, right there. Keep going. Be there, don't give up. Feel the energy. Use your core. Few more seconds. You can feel the energy by placing your hand on your stomach. You can feel the core. Yes, it's working right there. And few more seconds to complete a minute. That's it. Stretch out your legs, get it closer to your chest and relax. I hope you all have liked this power yoga session along with me. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any suggestion for your upcoming video, please do not forget to mention it in the comment box. I shall try to cover it up. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe, and sending you all lots of love with a positive energy. Bye. Take care.